democracy and ever-changing views and computer terminology. Commodore's views. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you. Are you keeping up? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you. Are you keeping up? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you.
Hi, I'm Graham and welcome back to the Commodore Cave. Last year I was really excited to pick up an Amiga 500 Plus computer. It was really nice condition, it was boxed, everything worked on it well, except as can be expected after 30 years, the plastic had yellowed a little bit. So I decided to retrobrite it. Big mistake. This is the retrobriting on my Amiga that went wrong. It's quite clear, and you have a close-up look, you can see didn't really turn out the way I expected it to. I recently heard that cream cleaners such as this one or Jif that you use in your bathroom can help undo some of the damage caused by a retrobriting job gone bad. And elbow grease. Let's see what happens. Well, after a couple of minutes of rubbing, there seems to be minimal improvement, not much at all. Next I'm going to up the ante on this. I'm going to use a damp scourer with some cream cleanser on that and see what happens now. Seems the best thing to do is to use as little water as possible. Just use the cream direct. The scourer is wet, so bring that out and just have it so it's just damp. And keep this on a nice firm support so it doesn't damage the case at all, and keep on going. Wow, after a couple of minutes of scrubbing just this area here, I think you can see it's actually come up pretty well compared to down here. So there's definitely some elbow grease involved in it. Not easy, but that's pretty good. In for a penny, in for a pound. Some more cleanser on there. Let's see what we get. Time to scrub. Not too harshly. Firm, but fair. Careful not to get the nameplate scratched. I'm going to do that, so I'll avoid that. But the rest of it, I'm going for it. Right, it's pretty hard to tell exactly what's going on underneath the soap, so I'm going to rinse it off and just see what it looks like. Okay, give it a nice rinse. Let's see. Right, getting there. It's a lot better than it was. Well, we're almost there. Still a bit of discoloration down here. So we'll keep at it. Time to rinse off. I would say that's restored. Nice. Well, I've brought it out into the daylight so that we can have a good look at the results. Pretty impressed with this. Well, that's it for me today from the Commodore Cave. If you found this video useful or interesting, please leave a thumbs up, or better still, leave a comment, or better still, subscribe. Anyway, until next time, from me, see ya. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you.